The Hoosier Garage presents the Classified Series.
All right, what we got here is the 74 Charger. Well, we got 318, correct?
It's a 318 car, but it's got a 360 in it.
It's got a 360 in it.
With a 72, 340 intake.
Mm-hmm. And now this one's another rough and rusty car. We're saying probably a good parts car though. A lot of this and that going on. You know, you got your trim. He's got the piece that goes here. Halo trim. There we go again. But look at this door. Fools me every time. We got good bucket seats. The later style bucket seats got the, you know, the cushy back seats with the tucks in it. You see all that kind of deal there. It's got rally gauges, uncut radio, and some other little pieces like that. Here's your back area. Got some decent taillights. There's some little breaks there. Here, kind of in the middle of both of them. Some stress fractures, some chips. You might be able to piece them together for a full set somewhere. Now you could buy this one either as is, or if you see parts, like I always tell you, if you see parts that you need, something in particular, just contact Kyle. All that information will be on the video. We keep them short so you can find the information quick, and we can help source out a lot of these parts. A lot of these are really roached out, and he's also got some really good projects. But you know, there's stuff that people need. There's 50-year-old parts, so we know somebody's going to need something. But whole car or parts, if you see anything you need, just take a close look and contact Kyle. Like I said, all the information is in the video. Make sure you stay tuned for other classified ads. He's got quite a few that we're going through, and we will probably always go through. I don't think the hood's any good, so, but if you want it, you never know. You never know what you need it for.